Hey there, homeowner. Are you thinking about selling your home and doing it all on your own? If so, you're not alone. Many homeowners just like you do it all the time. Some successfully and well, not so much. My name is Omar Pineda with eXp Realty, and I'm going to share with you the benefits of both selling on your own and selling with a professional realtor. Most for sale by owners make the decision to do it themselves because they want to save money. But what they may not realize is that it could cost themselves even more money. Here are just a few of the benefits you can expect when selling your own home. Number one, you're in control. You get to decide the price, what gets repaired, who comes to view your home, and who buys it. Not to mention, you get to do all the fun paperwork, contracts, disclosures. You need to make sure you don't get sued, hire appraisers, title companies, inspectors, answering all those annoying phone calls. The list goes on. Number two, use your skills. Maybe you are a seasoned marketeer, negotiator, salesperson, or have a keen eye with contracts. This is your chance to use your skills and shine. Time. Selling takes time, and I hope you have plenty to spare, not to mention the patience to go through the motions again and again until an offer is made to your satisfaction. Now let me list a few benefits to hiring a professional real estate agent. Number one, they help you price your home to sell. They know the marketplace, do their research, and price accordingly. They take into consideration things like absorption rate and market climate and a lot of other variables that are important in pricing. Number two, agents use their commission to market your home. Take professional photographs and advertise. Digital marketing is paramount because you'll maximize your exposure to get the best price and terms for your home in front of the most eyes. Number three, professional agents are experts in their field. They handle all the calls from potential buyers, qualify the buyers, answer the questions from both buyers and sellers. They negotiate terms and price, handle the paperwork, contracts, disclosures, and secure the safety of your home by only allowing qualified buyers to view your home. They also split their commission with the agent who brings the best and most qualified buyer. These are just some of the benefits to selling on your own or with an agent. So if you're on the fence about selling it on your own or hiring a professional, call me today and I will be happy to help you make an informed decision with no pressure. The decision is yours. Again, my name is Omar Pineda with eXp Realty, and allow me to elevate your lifestyle.